What is up, YouTube? Have you ever wondered how disc jockeys mix their songs? Well, you might say using that amplifier or something like that. Yes, you're right, but what if you are a beginner and don't know shit about mixing or amplifiers? Then you are at the right place. Today I will be showing you how to mix songs for complete beginners. The software today we are using is Adobe Audition. This software is entirely based on audio. Well, you can also use videos, but we will talk about that later. So this is what the software looks like. It might seem quite confusing and difficult for the beginners, but trust me, it's not. There are two types of track: multi-track waveform, keep the sample rate as it is. There are again two types of channel. Mono means the sound will be same on both channels. Stereo will allow the sounds to transfer from one side to another. Then name it whatever you want. For now we will name it as Audio Mixing Tutorial. So this is what the multitrack will look like, and there are obviously the basic buttons, which include stop, play, pause. This button will fast forward the song. This button will move the playhead to the next song. This is the loop button. Use key I and then move it to the desired location, and then select a particular area, then press O and it will loop.
We'll fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We'll fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
And now we come to the main part. Grab any other of your favorite song which you want to mix. Just grab it and somewhat insert it into the first song. This will create a transition. press key R to use the razor tool, which will allow you to trim the song.
And you to hear I'm ready. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky.
You can insert keyframes which will allow you to increase or decrease the sound like this. So this is how you mix songs at the beginner level. If you want to listen to the full playlist, the link will be in the description. And yes, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next one.